Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry.
Hey y'all, so I am back with another video. Today I'll be working with Yolissa Hair. I think this is like my second time working with this company, but anywho, they sent me some lashes. I have a bonnet. They gave me a scarf, an elastic band, a wig cap, and a suit bag to put my wig in. So they sent me a 5x5 body wave unit, and it's 180% density, and it says that it's 18 inches. I did bleach the knots. I didn't pluck or anything like that. It kind of slightly came pre-plucked, and it is super thick. So yeah, I ended up cutting the ends a little bit, y'all, because I wanted a more blunt curl. Like, I feel like sometimes if you don't cut off the extra ends, like the stringy parts, your curls won't form like how you want them to form. So I'm just taking my hot comb and smoothing the closure part out, and I'm gonna cut the extra lace, those little tabs. Y'all know I hate those little tabs, but theirs were very seamless, like very thin. It wasn't thick. The lace wasn't thick as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to fit this on my head. I did adjust the straps in the back, so now I'm gonna put it back on, slide my little wig cap back, and then now we can get to working on this unit. We gotta make her pop, okay? So this is the parting space. Again, I did bleach, but I didn't pluck, and I went for a middle part just like that. And then I'm gonna go in, tweak everything, my hot comb, my wax stick, curling the hair, clipping the hair, all of that jazz. Wait, here this unit, I'm using my ebon lace glue, and I ended up using 2 layers, and I kept this wig on for 2 days. So yeah, this isn't the strongest glue, like I said, but it gets the job done.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spending my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Yes,
I had everything glued down. I realized I wanted to go in and pluck. So I did twist away some of the front part. And then I'm just taking my tweezers and slightly plucking. I didn't pluck a lot. I just wanted it to look more natural, basically.
I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. You can't deny. I got a crush on you. That's true indeed.
So once I'm done with all of that, I'm going to go ahead and cut the ends of the hair because I don't like stringy ends or whatever. I like for it to have like that bluntness to it. And again, it just curls better whenever the hair is kind of blunt. I didn't really add any layers at the front part. I did, but I didn't go in and cut deep layers at all. And I didn't cut that much off at the ends either. I just slightly clipped. That was it.
What you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you.
I'm going to do flat iron curls with this Irresistible Me Diamond Flat Iron. One of the best flat irons I've ever laid hands on, like literally. I want to try the Baby Bliss, however you want to say it, the blue ones. But I saw Jordan use the black ones, and he said he got it from Sally's Beauty. So I'm going to have to go in there and see if I can buy the ones that he used because he be slaying, okay? I love me some Slay by Jordan, y'all.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny. I got a crush on you. That's true indeed. I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Just comb my curls out. I wasn't going for like a super duper curly look. I just wanted like that flowy look, you know. My head is so big. Oh my God, I got a big head. But I did cut slight layers just to frame my face. My face is so round, y'all. So I have to kind of give it some structure with my makeup and my hair. So there we go. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I did go in and tweak my part as well with some of my makeup and a Sharpie marker. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and I will catch y'all in my next one.